Do you need to replace the touchpad on your Alienware x17 R2? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Then disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.